everyone, welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. My name's wygowarrior. Wygo stands for when you get old. I am 55 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. So if you've stopped by because you're curious what is in the February 2022 Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, so I just want to put on the record that this is the earliest ever I've received my Boxycharm. I received it on February the 11th. I'm filming today on February the 12th, and if I go like this will be up on February the 13th. Super Bowl Sunday. Boy, I bet I'm going to get a lot of views on this video. I kid, but am I? Speaking of views, I am a newer channel. I've been around 2 years, yes, but haven't even hit 1,000 subscribers. So while you're here, I would love for you to subscribe. And hitting that like button really does help with my channel to grow. All right, what did I get in this month's box? And I'm not going to lie, my expectations are really low. I've seen some unboxings. I don't even remember. No, I think I do remember my choice. I want to say like an eye cream. Anyways, hopefully it won't be as bad as I think. But if I'm thinking it's super bad, maybe I'll settle on, wasn't too bad, instead of having high hopes and being really disappointed. So the theme this month is Be My Glamentine. I am iteration 29. I don't know. There's the number there if anyone cares. If anyone is new to what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription where you pay $28. You get 5 full-size products. On the back of the card, there are descriptions and pricing. All right, let's just dive in, grab the first item. Feels like, yep, my choice item, which is from Saturday Skin. It is the Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. You get 15 ml. So I know this looks really tiny, but honestly, for an eye cream, you need the smallest amount. 15 ml is, I want to say standard, but there's a lot of companies that only do 10 ml. But I would say it, on average for good companies, that's perfect. This should last a really long time. The lid wasn't screwed on tightly. Is it safety sealed-ish? It's got one of those little plastic things that you just lift up. Interesting. It's not smooth. I don't know. Does it have a scent? It smells nice, but don't ask me what it is. It's not floral or fruit. It just has a nice fresh scent. So I will enjoy using that. Oh, I guess I could swatch it since it's not truly safety sealed. All right, I'm just going to dab some off the cap there. Can you even see that? It's thicker, not super thick, but thicker than other eye creams I've used. But yeah, it smells lovely. All right, what does this retail for? This retails for $32, which for an eye cream is very reasonably priced. All right, what else did I get? Something that feels exact same size box. What is this? All right, this is the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. And my fears are starting to come to life. Just first 2 items, I've seen a lot of people unbox, and I did not care for their box. But a lip scrub is good, and I've heard this one's pretty good. I'm lazy, and I really don't use them that often. It's a tub form. Interesting. It's supposed to smell really good. All right, so this one is flat, smooth, and filled to the top. Ooh, it smells really good. The other thing that I'm not a big fan of is just in general, any kind of lip product. I don't like undoing a cap, taking my finger, putting it on. I don't know. It's just a sanitary thing, a convenience thing. You gotta wipe your hand. Will I use this? Yeah. Do I prefer a squeezy tube or a wand for lip products? I do. The lip scrub retails for $23. All right, what else came in this box? And please don't be a face powder. Am I psychic? Or am I just unlucky? Well, I have a feeling the rest of the items are going to be the box I did not want but was anticipating getting. And the reason I'm a little cranky, I have mature dry skin, and I frankly I don't use face powders because it emphasizes my crepiness and dries me out, and just I'm blessed or ignorant. I don't think I need powders. I don't have big pores. Anyways, I could ramble on about why I don't like getting powders in boxes, but supposedly this is a good one. I'm just gonna set that aside for a future giveaway. Oh, what does that retail for? And did I even explain what that was? This here is from OPV Beauty. It's a loose setting powder, which retails for $22. All right, next item. I swear I've received this before or something very similar. This here is from Context, and it's a matte lipstick in the shade Tears Are Falling. Oh, how appropriate. Tears are falling for how disappointed I am with this box. Wow, please be a shade I like. Please redeem this box. Okay, it's doable, but this is on the edge of what is too dark for my personal taste. To swatch or not swatch? We're gonna leave it at that. What is the last item? Oh, yes. When I'm silent, that really says a lot. Okay, so this here is the Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. I knew I was going to get this because I didn't really want it. Hey, but at least I didn't get a hair product or like a perfume oil. Okay, so I love brushes, but just this is cute in concept. Maybe I'll just use it like this. There are items inside here which I know I will never undo and wash, and just concept, very cute. Practicality, not so much. What does this retail for? If it's more than $20, let's see here. 28. Wow. Did I mention this is from a brand called Alleyoop? A few boxes ago, and I didn't get it, but I picked it up on add-ons. They created those pens from like the 80s where it's like 4 colors: green, red, blue, black. And like one was like a lip liner, one was like an eyeliner, one was like a brush. I don't know. I bought it. Have I used it? Not yet. But it's really cool because you can click the different things out. That's what I do remember from Alleyoop. This end here for blush is very soft, but it's not that you want a brush super dense to do that. It feels a little too fluffy. It's soft, don't get me wrong. I will give this a try. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to be cracking open to use the little nested Russian dolls or whatever. But, yeah. Now, this I am kind of fascinated by. I question how easy it will be to clean and at what point will it rip off. But this does seem interesting for under the eyes. So I'm not as mad at this as I originally thought. But is this worth $28? Let me know if you agree with me that seems a little overpriced. All right, let's recap everything I got in my box. I got a translucent powder, a pineapple scented lip scrub, a lipstick from Context, a 4-in-1 brush tool, and an eye cream from Saturday Skin. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, thank you. Next. Sorry, Ariana. Had I not seen other people's unboxing, I don't know, I think I would have been way pissed off. I was expecting to be disappointed, which is why my demeanor isn't as grumpy as in other videos. Honestly, if someone offered me these products and said, hey, you want to pay it? Only 28 bucks, I'd go, pass. Even with the eye cream, which barely covers the price of the box, what was this, $32? I will use it. I just have so many other eye creams that I think I'll enjoy better. I'll need to give it a try. Lip scrubs, as I explained before, I'm lazy. I may love this, but right now I'm kind of like, I'd rather get a brush set. And we know how I feel about powders. I do love lip products. This one, it may work out. I'm at the point I don't want to swatch something once and then it goes to waste. So when I'm on the fence, I'm going to start erring on the side of I won't enjoy it, because in the near future, hopefully, I will hit 1,000 and I'm going to do some big giveaways. All right, leave me your thoughts. Do you agree? Let me know, was your box any better? Because frankly, most of the boxes have been very, very similar to this. This box is almost identical to the PR box, because those unboxes come out super early because they get them really early. And that's what prompted me to be like, month's not going to be good. But what's interesting is most months, my box is nothing like the PR box. So let me know, did you get similar stuff, or were you one of the rare people who got like a really good box? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up. As I explained before, there's something about an algorithm. I don't know. It really does help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.